Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. This would be the second video of French lectures A1, and in this video we will talk about French articles. Same as in English, French has two articles. One, the definite article the or the, and second, the indefinite article a. And obviously we use the definite article when we are referring to a specific thing, and the indefinite article, for example, when we have to talk about a general thing. So there is one twist, however, in French articles is that these articles actually keep you reminded that the person or thing that you're talking about is either feminine or a masculine. Yes, and therefore French has not it hasn't a very smooth rule for usage of an article. Okay, let's just dive in and we'll see. So if you have to talk, if you have to say in French the, you will use either le or la. Le is le, it is for masculine things, and la, a, it's for feminine things. Indefinite article. In French, a is the same as one. So if it is a masculine thing, we'll use the word or mot, as in French, un. Or if it is a feminine word, we will use the word or mot, une. Now, just for examples, I have just written 2-3 words for you to actually understand what I'm trying to say. Now, if you talk about window in English, window in French is a female thing. So we will say la fenêtre, or une fenêtre. And same goes with the pen or a feather. For pen, actually there are 2 words, but we'll just stick to the female one for this video. La plume, or une plume, and it has 2 meanings actually. One is a feather, and second one is a pen. Now for male words, I would like to, yes, this would be good. This would do. For a tap, the French for a tap is robinet, and it is a male word. It is a male thing actually. So we'll, if we have to add an article to it, we'll say le robinet, which is the tap, or un robinet, which is a tap. And second word would be portable. Portable is the mobile phone in English. So as it is a male word, we'll use le portable, the mobile phone or the phone, or un portable. Okay. Now these articles, like the articles that we have just discussed, will be for the singular ones. Now in English, I can say a window, or windows, or the window, or the windows. But in French, we have a separate article for them as well. For example, if we have to use a definite article in French for anything that is plural, we will say les, which is L-U-S. Now we'll talk about it later, that how in French certain words are not pronounced when they're, and most of the time when a word comes in at the end of the of a word, the alphabet, that is not pronounced, and this S is not pronounced in le, but it indicates that the following thing will be a plural one, and it is the same for either masculine things or feminine things. So for example, we'll take the window, which is a feminine thing, la fenêtre, and a mobile phone, le portable, which is a masculine thing. And if we have to make plural out of both of these, we'll say les fenêtres, and we will add an S to the fenêtre also. and it will also not be pronounced, but just to indicate that we're referring to plural thing, we'll add an s. And same goes with the portable also. Les portables. Les portables. Okay. Now there's one thing that I would like to, just touch it here, and we'll talk about it in detail, comprehensively later. Is that when there is an s in the previous word and in the following word, so the following word, we use a term in French, and I'm not just, I'm not kind of remembering the term, but what we do is that if the previous word is s, and so what we do, we kind of match both of these words. For example, in French, the bird is called oiseau. So, for example, if you have to talk about a plural birds, we'll not say just les oiseaux, but we'll say les oiseaux. Okay. For the plural of indefinites now, indefinite article, it is the same as indefinite, but it is with they, s. Like for indefiniteness, we will use des portables for the plural. Okay, I hope that will be it for this video, and I hope that you understood each and everything that I kind of meant to taught you in this video. Please comment anything that you don't understand in this video, and let me know if you have any kind of suggestions for me as well. I hope that's it. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like the content, and please share it with your friends and family who are willing to learn French. Salut!